Hey guys, Gary here from RV Living Life. Today we are going to a harvest host, and this harvest host is in the Woodstock area, Woodstock, Ontario, and we're headed here from Bronte Provincial Park. We're just starting our trek to go northwest and go to the Pine Reef for 3 weeks, and then we will be headed into the USA. We'll be crossing at the Sarnia Port Huron border. So we're just pulling into the driveway here, and you can see how beautiful it is on there with the fall colors. As we're pulling up, you can see that there's kind of a triangular area here for overnight campers to visit the harvest host. And you can pull right in on the left there. You can go straight in, or you can curve to the right and you can back in on the other side. There's kind of like 2 spots here to stop. And what we did actually is we went a little further down. We went back around behind those trees, and they had some buildings there, and we turned around and came back. And this guy was back there looking at us. Beautiful horse that is. And now we're in the spot, and as you can see, they have a picnic table here and a couple of chairs and a fire pit. It's just a beautiful spot to park for the night. And you're free to walk around. They have a couple of dogs here, but if you want to walk around, go ahead. And as I was saying, it's Greener Pastures Eco Farm. Very welcoming, well-signed place. This here is the walkway to the store. And also, I cut over to the right a bit and I found another spot. And this is another spot for Harvest Host guests. And there's a driveway here where you can back in. It's well graveled. And it's not for big rigs, otherwise we would have taken that one, but there's quite a few trees too, so we didn't really want that because we want to use Starlink. So I'm just sitting at a picnic table at the second site that is here. This definitely be a site for smaller vehicles, but you have a fireplace and a few chairs and a picnic table. Nice gravel drive to back in on. Some pretty good privacy with the trees, and it's just beautiful here, especially this time of year with the colors. Just beautiful. Nice little site for sure. I also discovered another site off to the right when walking towards the store where you can camp for the night. Great little store here with all sorts of meat products. You got beef, pork, lamb. What else did you say?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Some whole chicken, yeah. But those are the major ones.
We make YouTube videos. Do you want to be in the video?
Sure.
Yeah? What's your name?
My name's Andrea.
Andrea, and you're part of the owner here?
Yep. Myself and my husband, we own
right.
Greener Pastures, and yeah, we love it.
Oh, well, we love it so far too.
Good
Beautiful
stuff.
here.
Yeah, we hope you enjoy your stay.
And I decided to put up the drone, see what we could see. after I took down the drone, this horse kept staring at us, so I took Lexi over to meet it. Let's see what happens when Lexi notices this guy. Wow, isn't that beautiful, eh, Lexi? Hello. You don't want to say hi? Where are you going? You don't want to say hi? So beautiful, eh, Lexi? You don't want to bark at that guy? Well, I guess he's done with you. Bye-bye.